If you're a Walmart seller, you definitely want to get ahead. And one of the best ways is to have a tool that helps you see the competitors' sales, if they're running Walmart ads, and much, much more. Now, what I'm going to show you is just a brief overview of the Helium 10 tool that they created just for Walmart sellers. And what it does is if you're trying to sell something like a Pokemon plush, and then what we can do is look at the different items and see how much money they're making per month. So we're going to click on the tool, click on Xray. And what it's going to do is it's going to analyze the data and show us exactly how much they're making per month. And you can see, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. The Charizard plush, the category, the product ID, the UPC code, the ratings. Scroll to right. Active sellers. It's got 2 active sellers. And yep, it is making $700,000 a month right now, which is completely insane. Storlax is making 200,000. So this is your top. Who's selling? I want to see who's selling these. Does it say who's selling them? 3P. What is that? I'm going to see if it's a third party. Yep, Toy Wiz. Okay, so this isn't Walmart selling it, which is a great sign. It's Toy Wiz, which is a third party seller. But it's just great to see. Oh wow, we got some other Pokemon. That's Toy Wiz too? No, these ones are sold by Walmart. This is a random seller. Look, this is selling Pikachu on this listing. DHV Supply, so we could see who's selling it. And it looks like they just have like some random products. And they've got some rough reviews. But great to see that you can totally, as a third-party seller, compete and sell these types of products. Now, if I did want to sell this type of product, like let's say I wanted to sell the Charizard, which is making like $700,000 a month, I'm going to copy the item ID up here. Then I'm going to go into Helium 10, and I'm going to see if it's running any Walmart ads. So that's another thing to see. If they're running Walmart ads, then you know you're going to have to compete with them big time. So you're going to go into Helium 10, go to Cerebro, and then do the drop down right here, type in their item ID, click Get Keywords. And I already did a search on this, but this is where you can actually see if they're running any Walmart ads. Now, if it says sponsored keywords and it has anything up like not zero, they have 1, 2, 3, anything but zero, then they are running Walmart ads. Now, this one is at zero, so they're not running Walmart ads at all. If they were, it would show you what keywords they're running Walmart ads for, so you know. So this is pretty much a great product since they're not running any ads, completely organic. You could come in and pretty much take some of their sales, which is nice at the end of the day. This is some other items like keywords that they're ranking for. So if you typed in large Pokemon plush, they would show up on number 4. That's the organic rank. There are more tools, but I'm just going to leave it at this so you can check it out. There is a link in the description with a free trial and a discount if you did want to sign up for Helium 10. But that's it. We are Walmart experts and Amazon experts. If you need help with anything Walmart, contact us right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.